Lesson 15, combining like terms, equations. Recall that simplifying by combining like terms, we have 7x plus 3x is 10x. 5x minus 1x is 4x. The only addition to our steps that we are adding is going to be to step number 1 from here on in. Okay? So when solving equations that are involving like terms, the first thing that we are going to do are combine like terms that are on the same side of the equation. We are then going to use inverse operation of addition or equation or subtraction. Use the inverse operation of multiplication or division. Then solve, then check. So the first thing that we are going to do here, we have 3x plus 2x minus 10 equals 15. So step number 1, combine like terms. So that is our first step. Okay. So here we have 3x plus 2x. So we have 5x minus 10 equals 15. So from here on in, if you notice, we're going to end up with a two-step equation. So step number 2, we are going to add 10 to both sides. So here I'm going to add 10 to both sides. This is gone, so now we have 5x equals 25. And step 3, we are going to divide both sides by 5. So x is going to equal 5. So now I have 3x plus 2x minus 10 equals 15. You always rewrite the original equation. So now we are going to replace. So 3 times 5 plus 2 times 5 minus 10 equals 15. So here we have 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 times 5 is 10, minus 10 equals 15. So we have 15 plus 10 is 25, minus 10 equals 15. 25 minus 10 is 15, which equals 15, and it checks. Our next equation, we have 6x minus 3x minus 9 equals negative 18. So step number 1, combine like terms. Okay. So here we have 6x minus 3x. So that's 3x minus 9 equals negative 18. Now step number 2, we are going to add 9 to both sides. We're going to add 9 to both sides. So I have 3x equals negative 9. And third, we are going to divide both sides by 3. So I have x equals negative 3. So now I have 6x minus 3x minus 9 equals negative 18. I'm going to substitute in -3. So here I have -18 plus 9 minus 9 equals -18. But again, ladies and gentlemen, we have to follow order of operations. So -18 plus 9 is -9 minus 9 equals -18. -18 equals -18. And it checks. Our last problem, we have 36 equals -8y plus 12 plus 2y. And just because they're not next to one another doesn't mean we don't combine them. We still do. Okay. So we are going to combine like terms. So we have here 36 equals -8 plus 2 is -6y plus 12. So step number 2, we are going to subtract 12 from both sides. Next, we are going to divide both sides by -6. So our answer is -4. So now when we check, we have 36 equals -8y plus 12 plus 2y. So 36 equals -8 times -4 plus 12 plus 2 times -4. Doing our multiplication first, we have 36 equals 32 plus 12 minus 8. We have 36 equals 44 minus 8. 36 equals 36. And it checks. And that ends our lesson.